I'm now ready for this unboxing. So guys, let's do this. Jack and Boy! What's up, Jack and Boys? It's your boy Boy with another vlog. What we're going to do today, guys, is we're going to unbox nothing. I'm just kidding. We're going to unbox some IU albums. And if you're asking me what IU albums are we going to unbox, here they are. So these are the albums that we're going to unbox. We have our latest album, which is the Love Poem. The second album that we're going to unbox is the Last Fantasy 2 album. And the third and the last album that we're going to unbox is the Real IU album. These are the three albums that we're going to unbox today. So the first album that we're going to unbox, guys, is the Love Poem album. This is what it looks like. Here's the front view, the side view. It is really quite thick for a album, which is a good thing for an album. Then here's the back view, and it is covered with plastic. So what we need to do is to do some unplasticking. Yeah! In order to do that, we need a scissors. Of course, this is not a scissor. We need to get a real scissor. Oh my god. Oh my god, I forgot something. I don't have any head cap or mask or coat because this is an important album. Why now? So enough of that acting. I have an alternative mask right now. Here's my handkerchief that is so girly. Well, it really suits this unboxing because of IU's latest drama, which is the Hotel de Luna, which is there's also a flower and the blooming song, which also includes a flower. So guys, let's start this operation. Why doesn't fit? Why doesn't fit?
Ginagawa mo.
I'm now ready for this unboxing. So guys, let's do this. Okay, it is hard to hold the scissor right now. Woo! Oh my god. Careful, careful. Woo, so hard. So let's just remove the gloves because they're not helping me. With those gloves, I might already be visiting Hotel de Luna before I'm done with this unboxing. But I just really wish that the Hotel de Luna is really real because man, that will be so awesome and I will welcome you with the
부천성보다 잘 나갔을 인간들인데.
with a shout. It will not be a warm welcome, but she's still pretty and I will always love her. I really love the color of this album because it really suits the song Blooming. Here's the cover of the album. There are two roses right there. Love Poem, IU 5th mini album. And here are the songs included. I'm sorry for the shadow of my mic. So, Unlucky, Blooming, Love Poem, there. It was released 2019. Let's look at the cover in 3, 2, 1. Are you excited? So am I. With the picture of IU there. It's written on Korean language. Whoa! What is this? Shucks. So IU so pretty, right? Look at that. And here is like a what is this? What's inside? It's a oh wow! It's a bookmark. Oh man. IU bookmark. You will really have the will to study if you're using this because you're going to be inspired by IU. Here are the soundtracks, I think. Oh, what a great shot! Again, a great shot again. Even though you cannot see the face of IU, her back is so pretty. And the design of her hoodie, they back. Just life, we're still cool without lock, so this is still unlocking. Ah, so pretty. So cute. This Love Poem album is really worth it with just this kind of pictures. IU is staring at you right now and she is saying that you need to subscribe to epoycruz right now and ring the notification beside it. Thank you so much. So I think every page is like a IU picture in it. Ah, those eyes. So here is blooming. I really love how smooth the pages are. The texture is just great. You can hear the sound. See? Ah, man. Ooh. What a great concept for this album. Oh, she's so cute here.
Ginagawa mo.
Man, look at Ayu here with that black dress. Ayu, why so pretty? Sorry for my face included, but I just want to include my face so that you won't really focus on Ayu but focus on me too. Because Ayu is mine. Look at this pic right here. Close up. There are a lot of pictures in this album, man. That's why the album is quite thick. And she looks good in every picture. A great shot again. So there's a blank page right here. Maybe you could write your own love poem for IU here, right? I think these are the stuff that helped IU produce this album. Oh, look at below, there's a lover? Lover? Why is there a lover? Oh, who is he? Who is he? It is me! That's the end, I think. And here's... what's this? Oh, okay. This is like the cover thing. And let's look how the CD looks like. Look how amazing the design of the CD. My precious. And guys, if you're going to buy this Love Poem album, there is a poster included. So here you go. I'm sorry if I can't show you because I forgot it at my other place where I'm staying. I'm sorry for that. So here's a picture of me holding the poster. But guys, I'm really sorry if I'm not included. Sorry guys, I'm not free. So guys, the next album that we're going to unbox is the Last Fantasy 2 album.
12 seconds later.
So guys, the operation was successful. Here's the cover of the Last Fantasy 2. IU is so really cute here because I really miss those ponytails. Ooh, that's quite something new. You're not going to open it like this, but you need to open it like that. Oh my. Woo. The style of the album is quite different. Oh, look at that. It's like a transformer. Here's the bottom. That's the CD. And I think the way that I opened it was wrong. You can also open it like this so that you won't have a hard time. It can be like this or like that. So I think you can fold this. Oh, look at that. Woo. Man, I love the style of this album. It's quite interesting. Here's IU. So here you go. Wow, I love these pictures right here. This is quite thinner than the Love Poem album, as you can see. IU is so young here. There. Oh, she looks like a little bit of Susie right here. See? The side view. Special thanks to. Here's her message. Or the credit part. So here's the... Oh, let's return it properly. So guys, this is the Last Fantasy 2 album. The last album that we're going to unbox, guys, is the Real IU album right here. Let's do this operation again.
12 seconds later.
Oh! So again, guys, the operation was successful. This is the front, the side, here's the back part. 2010 songs included. Whoa! A young IU. Look at that smile. A natural smile. Ooh, this is quite interesting. See the design of the album again. The way you will open it. And here's the CD. And she's like in a field right here. So I think that's the last part of the album. I think compared to the two albums, this was the thinnest. Of course, because it was 2010. That's all for the real IU album. There you go. So guys, those are the 3 albums of IU. And I hope this video helped you a lot. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please do subscribe to my channel for more about IU or any K-pop related videos or mukbang, travel. I have it all for you guys. Again, guys, thank you so much. Until next time.